Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to increase the limit on the Neteller application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to verify your account so you can increase your limits on the Neteller application. So basically to do so, you will need to click on your avatar or profile picture, username or here, and then you will click and go to your account setting. And basically here at the bottom, you will find the verification option and you will click on it. And as you can see, you need to verify your identity to increase your limits. And now all it remains to do is to click on verify. And as you can see here in the web application or the web portal of Neteller, you will need no need to verify account at this time, only deposit the funds into your account so you can use your wallet. So we need to click on go deposit. You deposit now, and then you will choose a card. You click on add card, you add the information, and then you will need just to click on next, and basically click next. You add the amount that you want to deposit and click on continue, and then you will need just to confirm the deposit. And after that you will have your account that is verified. Also your balance will increase by this deposit, and by that you will increase your limits. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.